Scrunchies, hoops, I guess you could say that I'm a true 80s girl.
Do not mind the background. I'm in the middle of moving and this is an impromptu background. First, I'm going to moisturize my face with this Neutrogena oil-free sensitive skin moisturizer. Apply it all over my face. We need to moisturize since it is winter time. Don't forget your neck. I'm just gonna prep my face with this badescu rose water spray. Just kind of let that sink into my skin. I'm using the Benefit Porefessional primer. This literally helps erase like all my pores. It's such a good primer. I love it so much. Oh, that was way too much. Dab. Today I'm going for a super simple look with just a red lip. So nothing too fancy. Oh, I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. I basically have the same eyebrow routine every day of my life. I only use one product and I swear by this product. If you ever see me betray this baby, then you can delete my channel. First, comb out my eyebrows and then use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. Goodbye. Dip. I'm gonna conceal these bad boys with my all-time favorite concealer, Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And guys, I found out they're making a foundation. I'm in shade medium, and I think it's a little too orange for my skin tone, but whatever. I'm gonna blend everything in with my handy dandy beauty blender. That's better. Now I'm going to apply concealer to the rest of my face. I usually just use Tarte Shape Tape as a kind of like foundation because foundation is really bad for my skin and it makes me break out every time I wear it. My Real Techniques Beauty Blender. To brighten up my under eyes, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade Sand. Now I'm going to just set everything with my powder. I used two of them. This MAC Studio Fix Plus in NW18 for my under eyes. A Cosmetic CC Cream in shade medium for the rest of my face. Oh, it's like rainbow. That's so cool. I'm using my Real Techniques brush. So I'm just going to take some and set my under eyes just really lightly. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face. To be using super big e.l.f. brush. It's like humongous, so I really like it for setting my face makeup. Just take a lot. Now I'm going to contour my face with my e.l.f. contouring kit. I only use these two shades. Just mix them together. Now I'm going to apply my blush. This is my NARS. You guys can read that yourself. And I'm just using this e.l.f. brush again. I'm also going to apply this to my nose. Now I'm going to apply false eyelashes. These are my Ardell Demi Wispies. First, I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my Revlon eyelash curler. If you're wondering what I'm drinking white chocolate mocha. I'm going to go in with my Ciate London Wonder Wand mascara. I've never tried this before. Okay, whoa, what the heck? I love this mascara. I cannot do this on camera. I'm sorry. Y'all, try my best and they do not look good at all. I give up. Literally cannot put on falsies. Like, if any of you guys have any like tips or tricks on how to apply falsies, please comment them down below. But I'm just gonna apply a little more mascara just so my natural lashes and falsies can blend together. I guess that's the best I can do. But now I'm just going to go and apply some bottom eyelash mascara using my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I love this stuff so much. I'm applying my NYX white eyeliner to my waterline just so that my eyes will look bigger. Yeah, you can see my eyes look a lot more brighter. I'm going to be applying my Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Moonstone. Very tragic. It's broken, but that's okay. Now, the most important part of this look, my lips. I have two kind of reddish toned lipstick. They're both from YSL. This one's like really moisturizing and it's more of kind of like a orangey tone. That was a really bad swatch, sorry. Okay, look at the packaging, oh my goodness. But this one's like a true red, like an actual red lipstick. Y'all, I can't see, sorry, I'm really bad swatching. I think I'm gonna go for the red one. Oh my goodness, no. Ignore the acne, I'm sorry about that. And I kind of did that like ombre look. Well, I tried to, I think it kind of failed, but whatever. Last step is I'm going to be setting my face with this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.